Hey guys, I'm getting the hiccups today. Uh, just wait. Wait, I think they're gone. Well, I just totally had the hiccups for like 10 minutes ago. I just had, I just had the hiccups. Uh, that sucks. They're gone. Uh, you know, I never even had a hic. I never even had a hiccup for a long time because all the all of a sudden, whenever I almost got the hiccups. So let me get my drink. Just one second. Boobs were on. That's Delaney Reed, by the way. Hi, guys. So, yeah. Wait, just take a sip. Ah, that was good. Oh, crap. Because all of a sudden it's starting. So, I've been trying to say that, we're going to be doing, some Let's Plays of a lot of games. We're going to be doing Nick, Seen It, and we're going to be doing Disney Channel, Seen It, and we're going to be doing Disney, Seen It. The, one of the Disney characters. So, stay tuned for that. See ya later. Bye.